Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change language on Garmin Edge 540. First of all, let's move up from the home screen of this device by pressing the up button until we reach this menu. Then let's press Options key. And now let's use up and down arrow keys to navigate to settings and press the Options key once again. Now let's scroll down all the way to System. And once you reach this option, press Options key once again. Then you're gonna have to scroll down to Language. Okay, so we have it here underneath the Start of the Week section. Select this option. And then select one of the available languages from this list. So as you can see, we have English, then we have Arabic, we have Portuguese, Brazilian version, Bulgarian, etc. So just find the language that you want to use. For example, let's use Finnish and press Options key to accept. Then you're gonna have to wait until the language is changed. So now let's do the same thing with the changed language. So first of all, we move all the way up to this menu, then we press the Options key, and then we navigate to Settings, then we press Options key once again, and then we're gonna have to scroll all the way down until we find something like System or Sistema. Usually it's a well, similar word in most languages, but in this one I suspect that this is System. Okay, it is. Let's scroll down. Okay, and here we have it, language. Now let's select English and press Options key to accept. Then just wait. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.